This is a thank you video for everyone, including yourself. In the past 3 years, we received the Zoho Premium Partner year after year, and our company is reaching new heights. And that's because of you. You are the YouTube viewer, or our customer, or our amazing employees. All of you are the reason why my company is able to reach new heights every month. Without you, we're nothing. We have no purpose. So thank you. I also like to thank Zoho as a company. I used to sell services and products for different companies along the years, and the only matrix that they cared about was money. If I sold enough, I was a premium partner. If I didn't sell enough, I was out of the door, which makes sense at that point. Zoho is a different company, and they work in a different way. Of course, sales, it's part of the way that they evaluate partners, but they also care about your knowledge, if you have enough certifications, if you pass tests, and you are ready for the market, you are ready with the new technologies. If you are able to help customers, how customers reviewing your company, what type of solutions you're implementing that is pushing your clients to grow as companies. And this approach, I see it as an amazing approach, because sometimes you have people that are selling a lot, but they don't have enough skills to grow your clients' companies. In that case, they will not be able to be premium partners. And I think this is remarkable for Zoho as a company. In the past, I also created another video about Zoho that I will put the link on the top, which I recommend you to see, because when people see Zoho, they just see the CRM books and all the beautiful applications they created, but there is much more behind the scene about this beautiful company. And I'm fortunate to have Zoho as part of my life, and I'm fortunate to be able to service people that are using Zoho for their needs. So again, thank you very much for everything that you guys are doing for us every day, and the reason that we are able to grow as a company. Thank you.